Good evening, YouTube friends. I hope everybody's well. Now I'm speaking in a bit of a lower tone as it's 9:30 in the evening. Still out in the workshop doing a bit. Just an update on the engine. In my previous video, what I've been working on. I'm in the process of stripping it down. Now I don't know bugger all about this engine. Its history, etc. But it is a Briggs engine. This is what I'm planning to drop into a deck I've got in the yard, or find a suitable deck in the yard, but I want to get the engine up and running first. Now, at the minute, I've had the carb in bits, rebuilt the carb, that's now in order. Coil's good, got continuity at the coil, but I couldn't get any compression. So having stripped down further and investigated further, I've established that we've got, well, as I assumed, we've got a timing issue. We have a sheared flywheel key, which explains why we're not getting the engine to turn over, or why we didn't have any compression. Look at the state of that. Nice and sheared. That's up there. I've had the head off as well, and you can see, you probably can't see, but the piston bore looks good. A lot of carbon build-up on the bore there. The intake valve and exhaust valve, they don't appear to be sticking there, moving freely. I'll have to get a new head gasket for it. It's a nice little engine. So I shall continue to work on this and get it dropped into something over the winter. It's just slow enough at the minute. I've got a few out there ready to out, but it's not quite the time of year to be purchasing full-stroke machines, I would have said, but there's still a bit of interest. So, a bit of an update video. We're at process of elimination, working on this Briggs engine. Right guys, till the next one, take care.